Avon ladies, I'm Bettina Carlos and welcome to Bettinna Bites, where we make cooking fun and easy. Introducing Kitchen Magik. Easy to use, easy to store, and affordable kitchen tools to better help you prepare, cook, store, dine, and serve. Today, I'm happy to be joined in the kitchen by one of Avon's top sellers, Miss Angie Nogales. Hello, Miss Angie!
Good morning, Bettina.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Magaling ka ba magluto? Marunong ka ba magluto?
Marunong ako magluto at excited ako magluto kasama ka.
Nako, mas gaganahan ka magluto with Kitchen Magik. We are cooking an easy and healthy dish that your family will love. Sweet and sour red snapper or maya-maya. Let's start cooking! Para mas madali ang pag-prepare ng ating veggies, let's get the chef knife from the 3-piece knife set with scissor. And also our chopping board with strainer and container. As you can see, Miss Angie, matalas ang blade ng chef knife. And it also comes with a holder para easy to store and safe. Chop 1 green bell pepper, 1 red bell pepper, and slice 1 yellow onion. Next, fry the maya-maya in our marble-coated frying pan. Dahil non-stick ang ating pan, you just need a little oil. Healthy na, matipid pa. Pan-fry both sides of the fish until it turns golden brown. Remove from the pan and set aside. Now for the sweet and sour sauce. First, saute onions, then ginger. Add bell peppers and carrots. Then mix in vinegar and cook for about 2 minutes. Add ketchup, pineapple juice, garlic powder, and mix. Then pour in cornstarch and water mixture. Stir well until it thickens. Finally, add salt to taste. We'll plate our healthy and tasty sweet and sour maya-maya on the rectangular serveware. This platter is microwavable, kaya pwedeng diretso sa microwave whenever you need to reheat. And finally, we garnish with green onions using the Kitchen Magik 5-in-1 Santoku scissors. 5-in-1 siya because you can also use this as a Santoku knife, peeler, fish scaler, and can opener. Galing, di ba? It's eating time, Miss Angie!
Ang ganda naman ng table setup.
Siyempre, di ba we eat with our eyes first? Madali lang magpaganda ng dining table with Kitchen Magik Dinner and Serveware Collection.
Mukhang masarap.
With kitchen tools like Kitchen Magik, mas gaganahan ka magluto ng masasarap na pagkain.
Parang marami pang natira.
No problem! With Kitchen Magik, storing food is easy. Habauna kita. They're airtight, leak-proof, at microwavable. And you get 3 containers in different sizes. That's real value for money.
Thank you, Bettina.
Thank you also, Angie. Thank you for cooking with me. Here's your take-home. Sana nag-enjoy ka today. Healthy, flavorful, and budget-friendly cooking comes easy with Kitchen Magik. Thank you for watching Bettinna Bites. This is Bettina Carlos for Kitchen Magik.